Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So I've had a bunch of people ask me about my last video, which was the seat covers that I had just installed on the F-150. So I'm going to go over that because I actually had a lot of people that had asked, like, it almost sounds like they're hesitant to pull the trigger on it because it was basically just the install video and sort of a kind of review after. So it's been 2 weeks since I've installed the car seats, and I put about 1,500 kilometers on my truck since installing the seat covers. So just kind of wandering around the yard here because I got the truck parked on the corner lot, and we'll go over that. So let me just flip the camera around. So there's the truck right there, and eventually, so right now I'm only really using this space of my yard, and that's about just over an acre. And then I got this whole kind of corner lot that I'm currently letting my father-in-law use just as a laydown area for his sort of miscellaneous equipment and various material that he kind of uses, which is sort of his job. So I'm hoping one day I can kind of turn this into a stomping ground, and then maybe even put a shop up here one day. I got lots of room. I got basically another whole other acre on this corner here. So do a shop, then do kind of a pad of some sort that you can have fun with. Or I just straight up do whistling diesel in this corner lot and just destroy vehicles by taking them off the gravel piles and using the excavators, but we'll see. So in this video, I'm basically just gonna go over my overall thoughts so far on the seat covers. I've had them on for a little over 2 weeks. Like I said, I put 1,500 kilometers on my truck since, so it's seen some seat time. And overall, guys, super happy with what they are. And for those of you that are just seeing the video for the first time, go check out the install video if you have any questions about the actual install itself. But very happy, guys, for $300 Canadian, which is whatever, I don't know, somewhere $220-ish, $230 American. I can't complain at all. I had a couple guys ask me, they said, are you just putting these on for the sake of advertising, and do you plan on taking them off once you're kind of done making the video? Not the case. I'm hoping I can have these on as long as possible, and so far it looks like it'll be that way, as these haven't really pulled out at all or changed. You know, like, it's so, I've had cheap seat covers before, and after a month they kind of, you have to constantly go back and reapply everything, and hasn't been the case so far. I haven't had to do any readjusting yet, and I got a little bit of sag in the seat, but that's, like I said in the install video, that's probably my doing. So if you come under here and you look right here, you can see where this bracket right here is broken, this white bracket right here. I just flipped it down. There's supposed to be a spring going across there to the other broken bracket. You can't really see it over there, and it's supposed to support the cushion, and I don't know what happened, but it's basically right here. So I have more sag because I don't have that spring support in my butt. So because of that, I might take more cushion with me, or more of like if I sag more, I might pull more of the fabric with me, and then it just sort of leaves a little bit more extra, but nothing that I'm complaining about. So I don't take on product. Like, I have a bunch of companies that will message me and they'll say, hey, we can send you this product, can you do a video on it, give us some Instagram posts and all that kind of stuff. And I'm not about just taking product just for the sake of taking product and then trying to sell you guys bogus product. I'm very thorough with it, and if it can benefit me, then surely it can benefit you guys. So I want to make sure that the stuff I'm showing you guys isn't going to come back, and I don't want, you guys to waste your hard-earned money on shitty product. I don't want to be that guy that just, selling myself out to receive free product to sell you guys bullshit. So I only make deals with companies that I think is going to be beneficial for everyone, and that's truly a good product. So saying that, these seat covers have been awesome thus far. So for those of you who have been kind of uncertain on whether you should pull a trigger or not, I would say go ahead at this point, and I'd say go ahead at this point and do it. Don't think you'll be disappointed at all, and I don't think there's anything that can creep up on you down the road. Like, these things will see their wear and tear eventually, but like I said, for the price point you pay to have your interior look this good on an XLT, I don't think you're gonna complain too much. So I kind of wanted to keep a short video because I know there's a few of you out there, sorry, I can't speak today, that are looking to pull the trigger on this, but you just wanted a little bit more insight. So that's the most I can give you. I initially said in the install video that I'd do a follow-up in 6 months, but the video seems to be quite popular. So I figured I'd give you guys a little bit of a quicker follow-up, and then we'll do one later on in a few months to see how they've really held up. But just initial thoughts, guys, because when we did the install video, all I could really tell you at the time was how good they looked. And I couldn't really tell you whether they're holding up. So far, guys, I would say these are a winner. Great product. I've had my wife sit in these seats a couple times in the passenger seats. Those have not been adjusted whatsoever. So it just goes to show that, you know, they're holding up very, very well. And you know, at the end of the day, after 3 or 4 months, if you have to come back and you have to retighten a few things and kind of pull the fabric around just to kind of snug everything back up again, not the end of the world. It really isn't. So 100%, guys, cover center, good job. And for those of you guys who are looking for an interior upgrade on your XLT F-150, I highly recommend this. That's basically all I have for you today. And stay tuned for the next one, you guys, and thanks for stopping by.